Hi, so this is just a quick video to demonstrate how to use the chainless starting double crochet to work the beginning of the puff stitches on Clue 2 of the Indivisible pattern. So the chainless starting double crochet is used at the beginning of each round in Clue 2. And so I know people were having some trouble getting that, figuring out how to do that. So I just wanted to show you. So I've just finished making my magic ring. I've got my my 8 single crochets in the round, and I've done the slip stitch to join the round. So this is basically the beginning of round 1 that starts with the chainless starting double crochet. So you're going to pull up that loop a little taller, hold it, and I find it easier to hold it with my thumb, but you can hold it with your finger, whatever works for you. Twist the hook towards you and then down towards your lap and away. And so that's going to create that second kind of twisted, doubled up yarn, that second loop, which is really just both, the loop is continuous, but you've got this little gap in between them because you're holding that first part. And then you're going to yarn over and you're just going to pull through that first one. Okay, and so what that's going to do is that going to hold that second, the beginning part of the loop, so you don't have to hold on to that anymore. And then you're going to go into that first stitch with your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So that's where you have 3 loops on your hook. So when it says stopping at 3 loops on your hook, that's where you're stopping. But then it says to continue puff stitch in the same stitch. So with these 3 loops, you're just going to continue to make the puff stitch, which is you're yarning over, and then you're going into the same stitch and yarning over and pulling up a loop. And you're going to do that until you have 7 stitches on the hook. So right now I have 5. I had 3, I yarned over, I made 4, went into the hook, or went into the stitch and made the 5th one, yarned over and pulled through that 5th one. So I'm going to yarn over, that's 6, and then back into the stitch one more time, yarn over and pull through, that's 7, and then I'm going to pull through all 7 loops on my hook to make that puff stitch. And then chain 1, and then make another puff stitch. So yarn over, into the loop, yarn over, pull through, that's 3, yarn over 4, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, that's 5, yarn over, that's 6, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, that's 7, pull through all 7, and then chain 1. All right, so I'm going to pull it out and show you that one more time, and I'm going to try really hard to stay in the frame. Sorry about that if it drifted out of the frame. I have to go back and look and make it all over again. All right, so pull up a loop, it's the beginning of the round, pull up a loop, hold it, twist away from you, yarn over and pull through, and then you can kind of let go of that second loop. And then into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, there's your 3, yarn over, into the stitch, pull through, there's 5, yarn over, into the stitch, pull through, there's 7, pull through all 7, chain 1, and then just make your next puff stitch. So yarn over into there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull through 7, chain 1. And you're going to do that, the chainless starting double crochet at the beginning of each round. I hope that helps.